Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I am going to tell you how to fix iPhone front camera black screen. So guys, if you are using iPhone and when you open your front camera and showing only black screen like this, so guys, as you can see now, this is my back camera, and when I am opening my front camera, so guys, you can see here only black screen is occur. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys after this here you need to find your camera option. So guys, you need to scroll it down. Here you can find it. You need to click on camera, and guys click on preserve settings, and guys after this first one option camera mode, you need to turn on this feature. So guys, if it is turned off, then you need to turn on it, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys here is the option of prioritize faster shooting. So guys, if it is off, then you need to on it, and guys the last option is keep normal photos. So guys, if it is off, then you need to make it on also. And guys after doing this, here is the option of mirror front camera. So guys, you need to turn on this also, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after doing this check that your problem is fixed or not. So guys, now I am checking my problem is fixed or not. So guys, now you can see my problem is still not fixed. So guys, after doing this you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and click on reset all settings, and guys after doing reset all settings your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing this you need to go back and update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, as you can see, first of all you need to check that if you are using oldest version of iOS, mean 14, 15 or 16, then guys you need to update your iPhone to iOS 17. And guys after doing all the settings, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to click on Apple Support. So guys, you can see here, and guys after this here you need to select your gadget and scroll it down, click on more, and guys after this here you need to find camera. You need to click on camera, and guys after this you need to wait for its opening, and guys when it's open you need to scroll it down. And guys, if your problem is in these articles, then guys you need to click on these articles, and if your problem is different from these articles, then guys simply you need to, last option is contact call. So guys you need to call it, and guys after clicking on it call, then guys you need to call them at these two numbers, and guys this is the time that is mentioned on this display. So guys simply you need to click on these two numbers, and guys tell them your problem, and guys after telling your problem they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.